Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel bge. Today I'm going to present about another project that I have learned from ChatGPT. In this video, I would like to share about code Python script was given by ChatGPT. I call split screen. Okay, now you can see when after I press B to play. This is a project called split screen in half. Now you can see when you want to make something of a game, mini game that you need to make about two players. You want to make a game and play with your friend, something like that. And this is the script. Python script was made by ChatGPT that I have learned and I found when ChatGPT gives me. In this video, I also show you how to do that. It's very easy to make. And this is an example when I have done making with Python script. You can see on the right side. It's very easy to learn. Okay, let me show you for a while before we going to make it. Alright, next, let's get started. How to do that? Okay, all of thing begins with this Python script. Okay, to do that, first thing, ensure you use UPBGE version 0.36.1. 0.36.1. Okay, the screen picture series looks like this. Okay, now that means you can do that. The first thing, as you know, we've got a Python script from ChatGPT, and then I already prepared for you right here. You can just copy all of this by hold Control and A, and then hold Control C to copy, and then open text editor panel and hold Control, press V to paste. Now if you can see Python script, and now you can see a name of an object, camera 1 and camera 2. So you need to make two camera, especially each camera you need to name follow this. Okay, this camera 1, you need to go to camera and change the name, follow this clip. Then if you make sure that you don't forget, open viewport display and check this box name, and then another camera, don't forget to change follow this clip. And Python script, I think you have a question, where should we embed script. Okay, as project I showed you, I embedded script from a simple object you want. For me, I embedded in this and for example project I showed you, and this do the same. Go open uh, Logic Blade Editor's panel, add the sensor, add always sensor, select pulse signal, go to add controller, select Python script, and this click the script that you're following. Okay, then connect this. Okay, press number 0 to see view game, and then try to press P to play. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see Python script runs, and you can see your viewport editor shows split screen. Yeah, I think you can do that. It's very easy to make. That's it. Okay, I think you need to set camera. Okay, the first camera. Okay, I'm gonna press Control Shift and press 0. Oh, sorry. I think I forgot how to press to set camera viewport. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to set camera viewport. Alright, I think you love this Python script, and don't worry, if we have ChatGPT, he will help you. Okay, don't forget, when you want to play the game, make sure that you press number 0 to open camera viewport. If you want to change camera to another, go to this scene object and change in this drop down list. Now you can see. Yeah, you can see your screen monitor viewport shows you about split screen in half. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.